Yeah, put a little chamoy, a little salt and pepper. A little salt. You get some of this watermelon, you get some of the juice, and then that's what you're gonna use, and a little bit of Tropicana. It's about a 1/4 of the watermelon. Just pour it in there like this. Then you get about 1/4 of the orange juice, and then you go ahead and pour that in there. Okay, these people getting too loud in here. Okay, pour it in there just like this. Then you get a little bit of that chamoy. Okay, and just throw some in there like this. It don't matter. Just the more the merrier. The more the merrier. Okay. Then you put some of this other stuff. You mix it up like this. And then just pour it in there. It's gonna taste delicioso. It's gonna taste delicioso. Look at this deliciousness. Look at this delicioso. Everybody look at me like, hey man, that's so delicious. It looks very delicious, okay? Just keep mixing it up like this a little bit, like this. Okay, then you get yourself some of this, the mold. You wanna get the rubbers, okay? Because the plastic, it don't work right, okay? Then you're gonna take the juice and you're gonna pour it into the mold, okay? Something like this, very quickly. It's moving very quickly, okay? Very quickly. Then you get yourself some of that, some of the leftover fruit, okay? Look at Mateo, he's doing an excellent job. Mateo, you're doing an outstanding job. Very good. Look at this. Look at this guy. He's a natural. It's natural. That looks good. That looks very good. So then you take some of this chamoy. No, leave it like that. You take some of this mango de bone, yeah. And then you just pour it like this. Oh, it's never too much. It's never too much. It could never be too much. Then you take it out of the freezer. It's gonna look delicious like this. And that's why you get the rubber, okay? Because you can just bend the rubber like this. And you're gonna just pop it out like this. Look, it's so easy. It's so easy. And look how it looks. It looks delicious. Look delicioso. Look at that. Oh my God, that's the delicioso. Look at that deliciousness. Look at the fruit, the chamoy. It's a delicioso. Look at that. Yeah, put a little chamoy, a little salt and pepper. A little salt, no pepper.